Hi, my name is David Nachman. I'm one of the managing attorneys at the NPZ Law Group, and I'm here today with Snehal Batra, who's also one of the managing attorneys at our office. And Snehal manages our Raritan office. I'm in our Ridgewood office, and today actually we're both working remotely, but we have some really interesting information that we want to bring to your attention because although we're working remotely, we're still working on cases. We're working on your cases. So first of all, and most importantly, Kemcho, we hope that everyone is keeping safe and sound and virus-free. And Snehal, probably like I am, we're working remotely on marriage cases, fiancé cases, family-based cases. What are you working on? Tell me.
So even though the immigration offices are closed for in-person appointments, the service centers are still open. So we're able to file marriage-based cases, employment-based cases. So business is still open as usual with immigration. And some of the cases that we're seeing now, of course, are green card applications based on marriage. And so some of the challenges that we face sometimes is how to prove that a marriage is valid, because immigration is going to be looking at documentation. You know, when they get your file, they don't know the individuals. Obviously, they're only going to make decisions based on the documentation that's submitted. So one of the key pieces of the marriage-based application are bona fide documents. David, do you want to go a little bit into what that means? What are bona fide documents?
Well, it's great that you asked because I get that question all the time from our clients, and that is they say, what is bona fides? I always say bona fides documents, and I explain bona fides in Latin means good faith. So the idea is to demonstrate the good faith of the marriage. So it has to be a real marriage. You have to demonstrate that it wasn't a marriage for the sole purpose of getting the green card. So a lot of times I get a question, and I'm sure you do too, is what if I live in New York and my spouse lives down in Atlanta? And we're planning to get together, but we're separated right now, but we want to do this case. Is that a bona fide marriage? Can you still do a case if you have that separation?
Well, we can, of course. One of the main requirements is that they actually have to be living together. So as long as there is a marital residence, even though temporarily they may be living apart, we would use one of the addresses as the marital residence, and then we would need to submit documentation. So basically, bona fide documents are supporting documents to show that the couple is a real couple. And so they're looking for joint bank account statements, insurance policies, proof of joint assets. You know, if they're living together, they want to see a lease or a deed of a house. They want to see pictures, bills. These are all documents to show that the couple is a real couple living together as husband and wife.
Chakos, exactly. In fact, Snehal, I think that one of the things that's really important for our viewers to understand is that, is it important though for them to have all of that evidence right up front, or is it more important for them to plan to get that evidence together for the interview that they're probably going to have about a year downstream? What is the timing?
So for marriage-based green card applications, there is an interview, whether it's going to be in the US if you're filing for an adjustment of status, or whether it is a consular processing case. There is an interview. So when you submit the application, you should submit the joint documents that we just listed with the application. However, the process typically will take at least about a year if it is a green card based on a marriage to a US citizen. So during the time that you file and you're waiting for the appointment, it is a good idea to continue to collect the documentation because that will be required when you go to the interview. So you need to bring as much documentation as possible at the interview.
Perfect. Chale. So one of the things that everyone should know is that our office is handling we're handling the marriage cases, we're handling fiancé cases. What we're not doing right now, of course, are consular processing cases because the consulates are closed in this COVID-19 epidemic landscape. But if there are any questions that we can answer for you, please feel free to reach out for us. We're available anytime. You can email us at our firm at info@visaserve.com. You can visit us on our website, or you can call our office at 201-670-0006. And obviously, Snehal and I are here to answer any questions you might have. Please feel free to reach out. We're here to assist you. Thanks so much for being with us this afternoon.
Thank you.